Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to sync Bill.com with QuickBooks Online. If you're using QuickBooks Online as your main accounting system and you want to connect it to Bill for accounts payable automation, the correct way to do this is by initiating the integration from QuickBooks. Let's begin. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Then go to the search bar and search for My Integrations. You'll be directed to a page where you can manage your integrations. This is where QuickBooks allows you to connect third-party applications. Click on Find Integrations. Then in the search bar, type Bill. Locate the official Bill app listing and click on it. Once it opens, make sure to check and review the permissions carefully. Bill will need access to your vendors, chart of accounts, bills, and payment records. Then click on Get Integration Now on the top right corner. Here, QuickBooks will ask you to confirm that you want to connect this application to your company file. Click on Connect. Then we'll be directed to the Bill website and log into our Bill account. Here, we'll click on Next to confirm the security verification. So as you can see, our QuickBooks account has been synced with our Bill account. After the first successful sync, your workflow should look like this. Bills are created and approved in Bill. Bills sync into QuickBooks as accounts payable entries. Payments made in Bill sync back to QuickBooks. Your general ledger updates automatically. From this point forward, QuickBooks remains your financial reporting system, while Bill manages approvals and vendor payments. It's good practice to reconcile weekly during the first month of integration to ensure everything is posting correctly. If discrepancies appear, review the sync log immediately before continuing operations. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.